Okay, here's my printed circuit board implementation of the pulse width modulation signal amplifier utilizing a 555 timer. At the top here we have an 8 ohm speaker used to output the signal. Down here, centered at the middle, we have the 555 timer, which takes advantage of the astable condition that we set the timer up to operate in to amplify. At the top left we have a potentiometer, which we can use to make the signal a little cleaner and actually cut off the signal if we want to. There's this condenser mic down at the bottom right, which is not working. So I have implemented my backup plan, which is to generate a signal through an external device, and that external device is the ADALM 2000. And we will be conducting a simple hearing test as per the outlined procedure. So after the ADALM 2000 is hooked up to your device, Scopey's installed, and your device is connected, we got the turn on the oscilloscope. Go to the power supply, turn that on. We're pushing 5 volts VDC, and we'll generate a signal. There's all sorts of signals you can generate. I'll be generating a square wave because I think that sounds the cleanest. I'll be using an amplitude of 5 volts peak to peak and adjust that throughout the hearing test if need be for your end. And we'll start at a frequency of 20 Hertz, which is supposedly the lower range of human hearing. So let's begin. I'll move the speaker a little closer. Hopefully you can hear that. We can see something going on in the oscilloscope. But let's continue. 50 Hertz. Let's make this a little louder. 100 Hertz. 200 Hertz. 500 Hertz. 1 kilohertz. Let's view that on the oscilloscope quickly before our ears bleed. Okay. The input is in orange and the output in purple. Two kilohertz, 5 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz, and 20 kilohertz, which I cannot hear whatsoever. The max I can hear is actually 16 kilohertz, as I've tested. Turn this up. It's very faint, but you may be able to hear it. And we can see that on the oscilloscope. And playing with the potentiometer, you can see that I can cut that off and on if I feel like it. And that's about it. There goes your yearly hearing test. Thank you for your time. Bye.